Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, I'm going to explain you a sum based on mode. This is exercise 14.2, sixth sum. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarize this in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So friends, I have copied the same sum over here vertically. For finding mode, we don't need any other column specially as of mean. So for finding mode, let me write the mode formula. That is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, so for first we have to choose a model class that is based on the highest frequency. So if you observe, in all these values 20 is the highest one, so this will be our model class, that is 40 to 50. Okay, now from this column we will be choosing our terms of the formula. So L is the, so every time remember friends, you have to write all the sentence of each term. Even it may be in exam all while practicing. In exam it is mandatory because you will be getting marks for this also, and while practicing also if you write in exam you will remember far better. Okay, so lower boundary of model class. So what is the lower boundary of the model class? It is 40. So L is 40. Next, class size of model class. So from this model class we are having a class, and from that we have to take the size. Size is nothing but the difference. The difference is equal to 10. Okay, next, frequency of the model class. So what is the frequency? It is 20. Next, frequency preceding model class. So the frequency which is preceding this model class is 12. Next, frequency succeeding model class. It is equal to 11. Okay, so now we have to substitute all these values into this formula. It is very easy, let us do it. So L, that is lower boundary, is 40 plus F1 is frequency of the model class, it is 20. 20 minus F0 is the frequency preceding the model class, right? So we got the answer as 12 by 2 into F1. F1 is 20 minus F0, it is 12, and minus F2 is frequency succeeding the model class, it is equal to 11, into H. H is the class size, that is 10. So on simplifying it will be 20 minus 12 is 8, and 8 into 10 is 80 by 2 into 20 is 40 minus 12 plus 11, 23. So it will be equal to 40 plus 80 by 17. 40 plus, so when you simplify this 80 by 17, you get it as 4.7. So therefore mode of the data will be equal to 44.7. So friends, in this way you have to find the mode of the given question. And some of you are asking me and requesting me to do to explain the real numbers chapter. Immediately after statistics I'm going to do that only. And please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.